Hello, friends! Today, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut in a simple and easy way. First, click on Create Project or New Project. Then, click on Import to select the video, audio, or image we want to work on. You can also delete anything you don't need by right-clicking with your mouse and selecting Delete or Subprime. After choosing the video and audio you need, drag them down to the timeline so we can work on them. You can control the video aspect ratio and size by clicking on Ratio. You can mute the audio by clicking on the sound icon here. You can also lock the track by clicking on the lock icon. If the audio doesn't match the video, you can cut the audio or video to fit by clicking Split. After you finish, you can add effects, for example by clicking on Stickers. You can also add writing by clicking on Text, and you can add effects to the text by clicking on Animation. This was a simple guide to the most important things you need to create a video. You can explore the program more on your own. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe!